Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save photo in the Photopea app. If you don't know how to save the photo in the Photopea app, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Photopea app on your home screen. Now open it. Then tap on to the simple editor button to add the photo. Now tap on to choose from library to add the photo that you want. Now choose one photo that you like the most and that you want to edit. Now edit the photo first however you want to like it. You can crop the photo like this. Next, you can also add the text of your preference and change the color like this. Then you can also draw lines and pictures using the brush on your photo just like this. After that, you can add stickers and emojis to your photo using the sticker button right here, just like this. And now, after adding all of the edits, tap onto the share button at the bottom left corner. Here you can find the option of save image. Now select it. Now the image has been saved. Go to your gallery and find the photo that you have just saved. Now here you can see the photo has been saved to your gallery. And that's it. This is how you can save the photo using the Photopea app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.